You live, you love, you laugh together, you have happy moments, you have sad moments, but you all stay together in their own place, in that place that you call home. We have spent time looking into what we need to buy, what we need to put. All together, this has framed into this beautiful little cozy space of ours. As a family, ever since we've moved into this home, we always feel that it's so much of positivity in our lives, so much of color, and I think so much of calmness at the same time to be in a space that you like. If you ask me about how would I rate Bonito, I would probably rate 8, somewhere between 8 to 9. And I am a very, very happy member of the Bonito family. Thank you so much, and thank you for making my dream home.